Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your phone number in Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. So in order to change your phone number in Snapchat, first open Snapchat and then click on your profile picture or your Bitmoji at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the profile of your Snapchat. And once you're in your Snapchat profile, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Click on it. Now once you're in this page, the setting page of Snapchat, you want to click on the mobile number option. It's going to be the fourth one. Click on mobile number. Now once you're in this page, at the top it's going to show you your mobile number. So my mobile number is 84948. So if I want to change it, what I need to do is click on my mobile number, the current mobile number which is entered in my Snapchat, and remove it and then enter my new number. So I'm going to enter my new number over here, and once I enter my new number, I'm going to click on verify at the bottom. Once I do that, I'm going to click on send via SMS. So what this is going to do is this is going to send me a verification code on my phone number as a SMS. It's going to be a 6-digit code. So click send. And once I click on send via SMS, it's going to send me a verification code, and I just have to type the 6-digit verification code over here and click on continue. And basically my phone number will be verified. Once my phone number is verified, my account will have this new number registered, which means my old number will be removed. But that's how you guys can change your phone number in Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.